Hi everyone, today we're looking back at the last month of trading to understand what's happening in the diamond market. Polished trading was slower than usual in September, largely due to US economic uncertainty and the slowdown in China. The US is technically in recession after its gross domestic product contracted for a second consecutive quarter, declining by 0.6% in the second quarter of the year. For the diamond industry, that announcement affects sentiment, especially since dealers have been cautious in the last few months. Polished prices continue to decline. The RapNet Diamond Index for 1 carat diamonds fell by 9.7% in the third quarter, and that includes a 3.8% drop in September alone. And we're seeing similar trends across other size categories that we track in the RAPI index. So what's causing the price decline? Well, polished supply is up and demand is down. The number of stones on RapNet increased by 10% compared to last year in October, and that's despite the apparent lack of rough that's coming to the market. Rough demand has understandably declined given the record high polished inventory that's available, and also since De Beers kept prices stable at its rough sales in September despite the declines in polished and the reduction in premiums that we're seeing on the secondary market. De Beers sales grew 2% year on year to $500 million in September. But let's go back to demand. After all, for many, the holiday season begins in October already, as more consumers are shopping early to avoid the last-minute rush. The US is stable, and jewelers there are still optimistic for the holiday season, even if they're more careful about holding too much inventory. But the real game changer at the moment for us has to be China, where demand is still sluggish. A story that caught my eye in the last week and is worth contemplating are the cultural shifts taking place in China, as the pandemic has reportedly influenced a stronger emphasis on saving among Chinese households, reducing their discretionary spending. So that's our take on the market for the beginning of October. A quick reminder, Rapaport offices will be closed on October 10th and 11th for the Jewish holidays. Wishing you all a fantastic week ahead, and we'll see you next time.
Get the highest cash prices when you sell your Melli and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Talk to an expert today.